We're out here making some beats today.
What I tell you, for the culture!
Welcome back to a new video. We're out here in the studio / editing suite / whatever I want to do out here room, because it's mine, nobody else's. We're out here making beats today. I'm gonna randomly use the record that's up there. I'm gonna flip whatever's in there. I don't know, depends. I got a bunch of records down here. I got a bunch of records over here, but I'm gonna see what's over there. So that's what we're gonna do first of all. Use that instead right there. That's the one I'm going to use right there. That's my thing. I like slowing loops down. And I'm gonna trim it, and we're gonna just chop this whole thing. We're gonna do a threshold chop. A threshold chop is like a sloppy chop where it just chops shit randomly in random areas. You know. All the way. And we got all of these banks. Oh, hang on. Alright, we got something. I'm gonna do something. That's how I'm gonna do it. This is what I found. I chopped up a part in there, played it the way that I wanted to make it sound. Just do something that, see what this sounds like. trapping. DJ Screw. Some chopped and screwed shit could go over this stuff. This is hard. That's hard. That's hard. Every beat that I've made out here so far is a banger. Straight bangers, man. This is sick. Straight bangers. Hmm?
Why are you like this?
Let's get on a high level. Keep it casual. Let's get on a